Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and we're in the man cave, and we've got the Munsters completely set up now. We've got the code updated to the latest, I believe it's 0.99, and we've added a bunch of mods. So I'll show you a kind of a quick tour of putting the mods on and the final product with the mods on, and maybe you get some ideas for your machine. Well, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy. I've got it clamped into place. Now you'll notice this is a guide to keep the play field away from scraping. So I will remove this because I don't want that clip to be underneath it or on top of it where it could cause a little air. So I will remove this and put it back. I don't know if you can notice, but I got the hole lined up right there. I'm gonna cut, or I'm gonna remove this clamp, pull this back, cut the backing out and set it, and start working towards the back of the machine. Move the machine as far forward as I can, the play field, and I've cut the paper to about here. So now I'm gonna remove it back so I'll have room to work behind. That's that. One on. I've got to put this back there though. I'll do that when I have some. It's all back, and that is back on. Now we're gone to this side. I've got her clamped and taped there. I've got double clamp there, and I've got the hole lined up. It's better to measure twice and cut once. So I'm going to do this one. All right. Paper's cut to here. I'm going to add one more clamp. We're going to move this up. All the way up, but you do not want it to slip. Over on this side. You do not want it to slip. About there. Very good. Now, we peel the back. perfect. Reset this. And lower the play field. Slowly send it back. I don't like to push this thing. I like to help it over the lip. There we have the blades. All right, now we're going to do the banister mods. These are from Munsters Mods. We're going to put them in place of the standard stern ones. So we need to remove those first. Here are the stock ones. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Save the original screws. So I'll put the first screw in the hole and get it started. Right. Second screw. It's biting. There's one. Took my watch off so I don't scratch this stuff. All right. Start this one. It's kind of snug. Is it biting? It's biting. Got the hole. Got the hole. All right. So there's those mods. This one, it's best to raise the play field. Then you can get right to. All right, I've got it started. We'll just snug it, turn it, and then tighten it. So some of the mods that you can see are, we have a Munsters coach topper. That's just until the actual stern topper comes out. We got the pin gulp cup. We got the flashing flipper buttons. We have the Munster coach. We have the Mockingbird Lane street sign. We have the side blades on. So we've got a couple of mods in the mail coming still. Got a key ring, and I've got the Dragula staging lights. So they're on the way from Menzel's Mods. So when we get them on, we'll do a little bit of an update. But I want to thank you for watching. And finally, I get to sit back and play some Munsters. All right, till next time, it's Kensurfs saying have a great night.